Hi Vivek, how are you doing?
क्या हाल भाई? ऑल गुड़िया?
बढ़िया भाई, बढ़िया बढ़िया, all well भाई. I just finished the
क्या?
day four. Just 2 minutes, just 2 minutes back.
हाँ, इसलिए लेट हो गए सेशन ज्वाइन करने में. No
Yes.
stress,
Today's
you
session
are
is really insightful. Yeah.
no worries at all.
In fact, मैंने अभी वो pause किया हुआ है. I am booked वाला.
हाँ. सारे बुक दिए हैं यहाँ पे. I'll एक एक पन हो जाए यार अभी ये बात है. So I have this table over here at my cabin and इसका बेस मैंने यहाँ पे बुक से पूरा डेवलप करा. I don't know if it's you are able to see this.
Oh yes, yes. दिख रहा है.
Oh, amazing. Seriously.
So this table
Yeah.
is booked.
Table is booked.
Exactly.
I'll tell you the inspiration of that stuff. So
Okay.
यहाँ से मुझे inspiration
Wow, wow, wow.
आया. वो book recommendations is too वो मतलब mainstream.
Yeah.
थोड़ा उसमें vibe डालते हैं यार, life डालते हैं. So I am booked. हम वैसे ही booked ही रहते हैं सारा दिन.
Yes, बिल्कुल.
Being designers or creatives, काम हो ना हो चाहे कुछ ना कुछ तो चलते ही रहता है अपना.
Exactly.
What's the secret behind this pun you always come up with? It's really nice, you know?
I don't know यार, मतलब honestly it is about keep me going with stuff. नहीं तो क्या हो
It's just
जाता है,
really fun, like, yeah. Just
mundane हो
change the
जाता है,
mood, yeah.
or else
मजा आ
it's
गया.
very much mundane, or I don't keep things formal honestly, or else it's very much mundane and बहुत ही mainstream और okayish चले जाता है thought process.
Yeah.
So to
Right.
keep it lively. Great. So as usual, as we keep our live sessions, I'll quickly start calling out names so that we can unmute and chat and discuss with each other.
Yeah,
So
sure.
I'll just start with Vedika today. She being the first time joining, I mean, on the day 3 live. Hey Vedika, how are you? What's up?
I'm good, Vivek. How are you?
I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. If you
Just
can
like,
please introduce yourself first before you begin, because
okay,
as you are joining the first live today.
right. Okay, so I'm Vedika Didwania. I am the founder of a digital marketing agency in Kolkata.
Amazing.
The name of Trumpet Voice Your Brand.
Great.
Okay, so
Yeah.
why I got interested in this course is uh, many times I do get queries for, branding, logos, and all of that. And yes, I do help them in creating them, but I just wanted to look at things from a designer's perspective. It's like I know how to use tools like Photoshop and Illustrator, but I'm not like a very creative person. I'm like more of a strategic person.
Numbers and
Oh.
metrics.
Yeah, not exactly numbers and matrix also, but you know, actually you can say numbers and matrix, that how do you get into the digital space and get returns is what is how I think.
The ROI.
Oh.
So maybe to guide my team of designers, I thought that I will just jump in and take this course.
Amazing.
It was like really affordable and it was like a small course. And I thought I would be able to connect with a lot of other designers as well in this process.
Absolutely.
Very nice.
Absolutely, Vedika.
So this is like really interactive. I've done so many courses, but honestly, I didn't know that the live sessions are this interactive. Otherwise, I would have joined it from day one.
I knew it. 10 people are not joining this. I knew it.
Yeah.
I think we should put it up in the group that if you really want to interact with each other, then these sessions are a must.
See, these
Yeah,
are learning
absolutely.
sessions. Honestly, it is not about what is your question, what is your query. I do that. Of course, see, as a part of the curriculum, I have to make sure that the queries are solved. But at the same time, 80% it should be jamming, because you never know if we are discussing with each other and some question pops up. So you need that environment. And brainstorming is something we all creatives love, rather than
Yes.
being very formal with each other. And
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm honestly, I'm just now feeling that I've missed the last 3 sessions.
no stress, guys. You have not missed much. Don't worry, I'll share the. थोड़ी बकर हो गई थी हमसे ज्यादा लास्ट सेशन. आ रहा है आज भी बैकग्राउंड स्कोर आ रहा है कुछ तो. कोई ना कोई सुर डाल ही देता है हर सेशन.
Yeah.
कल तो बढ़िया वाला आया था यार.
कोई नहीं. Vedika, how's the journey so far? Any doubts you might have, or anything that you would love to discuss about?
Yes, the journey is pretty good. It's like very well explained, and the same thing you really I've seen that the effort that is going in, explaining each and every point is amazing. And yeah, I'm like really enjoying it because it's something like these things, but it's just that you don't know how to structure it and you don't know how to frame it in your own head before expressing it to the client.
Bilkul,
So
bilkul.
today, when I was watching the logo session where there were different types of logo that were explained, so even I know that there is a monogram logo and there is a logo where just the initials are there. But today,
Yeah.
I think I understood that why is it that only the initials are there? Or
Absolutely.
in fact, I actually had a question with respect to that.
Sure.
So supposedly there is a brand which is like coming up, and current like supposedly ITC. Okay, when ITC must have started, they started as a tobacco company. So they just named their brand as ITC, and they didn't use any pictorial logo or anything of that sort.
Indian Tobacco Company. Yeah.
Yeah. But ultimately, they are like into hotels and into uh,
Sure.
FMCG
FMCG.
and everything.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like if I was branding ITC at that time with
Yeah.
respect to their name, I would have maybe tobacco was not allowed in their branding guidelines. That's why it was not there. So, and actually, there's one such company which has come my way, and they have bigger plans in future. But right now, they are just starting. So,
Bilkul.
how do I pitch them? What do I tell them? Whether they should go for a pictorial logo, whether they should go for uh, uh, what kind of logo? I'm still not clear on that.
Cool, cool. But at least we are going strategically. I'm glad that you are getting the structures. But honestly, Vedika, given the credibility and the creds that you come from, I know that a couple of things might be clear for you. But the sad part is people are not clear with the even such concepts, basic concepts. Thus, I went back to basics in the couple of sessions. And now coming back to your query, I'll take my example. Like I'll give you just a second. Yeah. Yeah, everybody in the room, can you please mute? Yeah, Shubham, I've just muted you. I'm so sorry, but अभी सुर नहीं चाहिए हमें. So, yeah, I'll just take two examples. One, let's take Vigyapan's case, अपना खुद का, and it's safe. And then one, let's take Amazon. So when you are really branding a company which has much larger, guys, just a second. Guys, please mute yourself if in case you are not discussing. So it will be really helpful. Thanks. So just take Vigyapan's example and take Amazon's example. In the case of Vigyapan, if you see that there's a symbol which is a holy cow in our Indian mythology, goddess Kamadhenu. So she is a cow in our जैसे गणपति बाप्पा होता है. In similar lines, we have Kamadhenu, goddess Kamadhenu. Now, I got the inspiration of goddess Kamadhenu as she's a wish granting cow. Like she makes sure that whatever you ask her, your wishes are fulfilled. So she was described as equivalent to knowledge. Like if you really ask knowledge from goddess Kamadhenu, and if you get all the knowledge in the world, the other riches you can already get. So through that knowledge. So I was reading this book called Chanakya Niti, and I somewhere read this line, and this really struck me. And since then, I thought, no, let's use this unique symbol, and I'm damn sure that very few people might go for this. So differentiation bhi aa jayega. And today we might be starting with an educational course, but you never know. The knowledge will be an epicenter of everything that we do. And even in future, if we launch any XYZ stuff, maybe विज्ञापन digital विज्ञापन web, just for the sake of it I am telling you. So ऐसे अगर कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, but the knowledge will be the base and the epicenter of anything. So I picked my one thing, which is knowledge. That should be the epicenter of anything that I do. Like Apple picked design as the epicenter of anything that they do. Reliance picked growth as the epicenter of anything that they do. So any company has one particular emotion or intangible value or a factor that they stick to, and they make sure that any vertical that they expand in, any product that they expand in, they make sure that that core value is still there. So somewhere the identity reflects the core value of that particular organization. In case of Amazon, if you see, the value customer focus is at the top priority. You Google Amazon's values, you Google Amazon's culture, anything that you would love, customer focus, customer focus, customer is everything, customer is happiness. So they keep on bombarding this, plus vastness, like we want everything under one roof, we want to sell everything under one roof. So that was the vision back then when the logo was being rebranded from an old Amazon River to a new Amazon identity. So Turner Duckworth is the agency who did that. Turner Duckworth, great work. I mean, I follow this international guys. Now in the meeting, when the discussion was going on, I read this interview so that I'm backing my content with the interview's reference, where things were clear that today we might start with books, but in future somewhere we want to revolutionize the online digital space. So the agency, the founder, the management, everybody was clear that we want to be vast, we want to be wholesome, and we want to keep customers' happiness at the top priority. Once this fundamental was logged, then they made sure that how through identity, it's not about pictorial or logotype, then the thought comes first. Once the thought is logged, then what is justifying my thought is important. In my case, pictorial justified my thought. I mean, I need to show goddess Kamadhenu. In their case, they went Amazon clean type with a symbol A2, which connects A to Z, but that shows happiness as well, like the consumer's happiness as well, which is also their top priority. So this is how you need to crack one thought that will be the core of that particular organization, and that will always stay forever, irrespective of anything that they do, and which is independent of any product or sector or anything like that. So Vigyapan, if you just keep it independent, it is independent of maybe an education course, maybe an agency, maybe a production house that does films. You never know. So yeah, this is my approach.
So what I gather from here is that, you know, the core, if it's an emotion, it's more powerful.
Absolutely.
Right.
The vector graphics doesn't work. The vector graphics are just the representation at the end of the day. They should be backed by some emotion, some thought that is also very well deliberated and thought through. Matlab, not out of somewhere. Like then they live it and breathe it day in, day out. Now today Amazon is sorry. So yeah. So Amazon is breathing that day in, day out. Even now, we will make sure that anything that we do, knowledge will come at the top priority. Like even if we are launching an agency, just hypothetically, if we are launching an agency service, that okay, now we'll give you this XYZ services. I'll make sure that education comes first. Client ko educate kiya jaye puri tarah se, then we provide them service. So somehow it will reflect in my service, product, everything. So you really need to lock that one parameter. It can be anything.
Yeah, this answered my question very, very well, because that's where I was getting confused. I had understood from your whole presentation, the session, that, you know, how important it is to choose the type, as well as, you know, that's why I got confused that like when ITC expanded from one to so many fields, then they didn't have like a core field. They must have had a core value. That was the most important thing, right?
And everybody does that, because see, nobody knows when somebody is starting a company now. Nobody knows where, in which direction we are heading, and सारे headlight vision के साथ चलते हैं. Of course, the vision is there, but a headlight vision. Okay, we can see up to this much, but then once we cross this milestone, we'll come to know later on where we'll go. But nothing doing, this value will not change. Which is, so even today, Apple design aesthetics are my priority. Even back then, design aesthetics are my priority.
Exactly.
Even today, Amazon says, I mean, vast. Yesterday we were discussing this. So vast choices, affordability, and timely delivery. Now, after 50 years, any technology comes up, these things remain same irrespective of any geographic region or anything like that. Even in India, people will be like, I need things affordable and in good quality. Even in foreign, people will be like, I need things affordable and in good quality. Though Indian may be more price sensitive, which is a different conversation. But
Right.
Some values don't change irrespective of geographic region, irrespective of technological advances, and they are eternal and universal. So you really need to crack the thought, which is eternal, universal, and can be extended very well. And
Right.
then you go ahead with the symbol that represents the thought.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, as far as I can, take this question, and that would be our approach given the experience we have, and that works very well.